What if one simple change could double your revenue without getting any new customers? Well, that's what order bumps and upsells do. And I'm about to show you that building a sales funnel, it isn't complicated. It's actually key to making more money from the people who already want to buy from you. Think about going to a coffee shop, right? So you order a latte and the barista says, want a pastry with that? Well, guess what? That is a sales funnel. They sold you the main thing and then they offered an appealing add-on and you were not annoyed because it totally made sense. But when most people hear sales funnel, they think, oh my God, that sounds so intimidating. But it's not, I promise. So I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree, the platform that helps creators sell digital products and grow their audiences without needing a website or complicated or expensive tech. And today I am breaking down exactly how to use these two strategies, order bumps and upsells, to sell complementary products to your customers. And by the end of this video, you're gonna have a complete funnel strategy. You'll know exactly how to set it up. So most creators focus on getting new customers. But here's the thing, the money is already in the room. It's with the people who are ready to buy from you right now. So you're just giving them more options. So one of my customers, Karen, she went from making something like $500 a month to $1,200 a month without getting a single new customer. Know what changed? Well, she added an order bump and an upsell, and that's it. So let me show you the difference because this really does matter. Order bumps happen before someone pays. Someone's on your checkout page and you say, hey, do you want to add this to your order? It's usually small, something like $5 to $15. It's something that complements the main product. Think of this as like putting a pack of gum on the conveyor belt before you check out at the grocery stores. Now, upsells happen after someone buys. So they've already said yes to you, and now you're offering them the premium version of what you just sold them. So why does this matter? Because order bumps add a little extra to every sale. Upsells turn your $27 customer into, say, a $100 plus customer. And together, they're how you build real revenue without chasing new traffic all day long. So for order bumps, think complementary. These are products that go with what they just bought. So these are things like templates or checklists or a resource list. These are small price points, usually again, $5 to $15. And it's something that solves a related problem. So here's an example. You sell a course on social media strategy for $37. The order bump is a content calendar template for $12. It's the perfect next step. They just learned what to post, and now they have a tool to actually organize it. Now for upsells, think premium. These are the next level up. Higher price point, think $50 and above. And it's either like the premium version of what they just bought or a bundle that combines multiple products. Here's an example. You sell a template for $27. The upsell is that template plus a coaching call where you customize it for them, and now it's $97. So the key is each product should feel like a natural next step, not just some random offer. That's what makes people say yes. So let me show you the easiest way to map this out. I have an AI prompt for you, and the link to get it is below. Copy and paste this into ChatGPT. I help people with add your niche. My main product is add a description of the main product you sell and the price. Then you're going to say, design a simple funnel for me with 1, a small order bump that's $5 to $15 that complements this product. 2, an upsell, $50 or more. It's a premium or expanded version. For each product, tell me what it should include, why it solves a specific problem, who'd buy it and why, and the price I should offer it at. Make it simple to create and easy to understand. Now, I'm going to use I Flip Furniture on Facebook Marketplace as my example and watch what happens. I now have 2 specific product ideas. It tells me what to include, tells me why people will want them, how to price them. And if you do this, you will have your complete funnel strategy in about 60 seconds. So using ChatGPT, please spend a couple hours creating these 2 additional products. But after people have their products, I've seen this. This is the part where they get intimidated. They think like, okay, I get this whole funnel strategy. I understand what products I should be selling, but I have no clue how to set this up. Well, this is where MiloTree comes in because I promise you, MiloTree makes it simple. So here I am in my MiloTree dashboard. And as you can see, I have set up my 3 products, my main product, my order bump, and my upsell. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click into my main product dashboard. And here, I click this button that says Create Order Bump. In the drop-down menu, I select my order bump and I press Save Changes. Okay, then I click on this button that says Create Upsell, and I choose in the drop-down menu what my upsell is. I can even give it a discount if I want, and I click Save Changes. Now, I have set up my entire funnel. So let me show you what this looks like from the customer's perspective. Someone is on your sales page and they want to buy, and they press the buy button. And then they end up on this checkout page where they're going to put in their credit card information. But right here, this is your order bump. And it says, hey, do you also want this additional item? They press add, and now they put in their credit card and they press buy, and they have purchased both products. And after they purchase, guess what? Now they're going to end up on your thank you page. This is what it looks like. Here is your upsell, and boom, they're in the moment. They just bought from you, and now you're offering them that next level product. And because your customer has already added their credit card information, Stripe is still holding that information. Therefore, all they have to do is press the buy button that they wanted, and now they've magically purchased that as well. It's simple. So you don't have to think about the tech. You don't have to create complicated integrations to set this up. It just works. All you have to do is create the products and put them up in your MiloTree dashboard. And the best part, if you're selling digital downloads like ebooks or guides, MiloTree delivers your downloads directly to your customer. Now, order bumps and upsells are a paid feature in MiloTree, so I recommend signing up for our Grow plan at $25 a month. Think about it. If you add just, say, 3 order bump sales at $15 each, you've not only paid for MiloTree, you're starting to make money. So typically, most of our customers see their average order values go up by something like 30 to 50% when they add a real funnel. Therefore, that's not just paying for the plan, that's multiplying your revenue. So here's what I want you to do. First, use the AI prompt. Remember, the link is below to design your funnel. Second, create your additional 2 products. Go faster than you think using ChatGPT. And third, sign up for the MiloTree Grow plan and get your 14-day free trial. The link is also below. You can have your whole funnel live and taking orders in about an hour. If this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button, because I share the exact strategies that help creators build successful businesses every single week. And watch this next video where I share how to find your goldmine digital product that has consistently made our customers thousands of dollars per month. All you need is a simple AI prompt, and it's in the video.